All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company. Hey, I want to show you here, maybe, obviously we have different crews working for us, but here, watch these guys here. This is two guys right here with the JLG. Watch them set this, the gable truss, okay? I want to show you how this is done. That way, maybe, you know, a lot of you guys out there, DIY, women, guys, that maybe don't have the most high-powered equipment, depending on the size of your building, but this is a 30 by 32, 14 feet tall, then 8-foot porch. But I want to show you how this is done right here. So you can see this in action, and then that way you can replicate this, whatever you're doing at home, whether you have a tractor, whatever that may be. But you see how they're doing this? They're tying this right here, and then they're gonna lift this up. So you gotta get innovative. Maybe you don't have the best equipment out there. I'm not saying it's the worst equipment, but there's definitely different ways to get things done. But I want to show you how this is done, how we raise the roof on this application right here. So let's watch the dudes right here get her done, and then we'll go from there. So, but kind of give you an idea. I thought they were going to do this, but maybe not. So if not, but that just kind of gives you an idea of how this is done. So you can do this at home, again, with a garden tractor. I don't know about garden tractor, but you know, just to get it done. And that way, because labor on any part of any building is going to cost you some money. So if you can do it, it's like anything. If you do it yourself, you can save some money. So it all comes down to, as you guys know out there, it's on your time and then and so forth. But a lot of these things can be done with just a little imagination, little equipment, and then obviously, you know, having the right proper technique. But here we go. I thought we were going to be able to show you this live here, but you get the drift here. About 30 by 32, and then we'll come back to this. You can see the lumber's laid out right here. All right, we got our trusses, lumber laid out, and then we're gonna, again, like I said, an 8-foot porch. This gentleman chose the 3-ply laminated column on this building. Again, not a huge building, 30 by 32, but this 3-ply laminated column. Again, important, 3 pressure points. Nice product here. You can see pressure point 1 there. See that pressure point 1? And then also pressure point 2. And also it's buried here behind that 2x4, but pressure point 3. Again, 30% stronger than a 4x6 CCA treated post. And again, the value add on this is that it stays straight. You know, a 4x6, 6x6 treated CCA tends to twist or warp. And if you have a 3-ply laminated column, you have a truer post. And that's important. Pretty self-explanatory. So it gives you an idea of what's going on. And then the skirt board right here, we use a 2x10. Depending on the grade level, sometimes we'll obviously bump that up if the site is a little bit uneven. We'll put some skirt board there too on that. But that's a #1 grade 2x10 skirt board. All right, so early stages, you can see the stone we brought in. Again, that's a berm mix of 411. So when we backfill these holes, we're not backfilling it with dirt. It went down there 54 inches, set it on a 12-inch cookie. All right, round cookie. Then we put uplifts on there, east and west, north and south. Then we backfilled it with a highway stone right here. See that gravel? 411 right there. So that's what you want to do. And again, why do that versus dirt? Well, dirt is very compact. It's not going to let the water evaporate. This 411 is going to let the water fissure and move through it. So just a little thing, but the little things, you want to stay away from post rot. If you watched yesterday's video, we talked about green guard and so forth. So be sure to check out that video. Green guard and the application there. You may want to consider that on your post selection. So right here, let's go back to these guys right here as they put this up live. You guys are watching this live. No editing. You guys may want editing, but we're keeping this organic, raw, and real for you guys. This is the way life is sometimes.